entire team of Assam is strong, united and confident that we have fought the election very well and we are looking for a positive approach. Whatever the media has reported on the election, what do you call it? Exit poll. I personally don't believe in it. As already my PCC president has said earlier, there is a big fear among the voters in Assam. Even the small freebies what is being given to the people, if they doesn't identify with the BJP, even the freebie is not being given. When such is the situation, who will come out that who has voted for whom? So this is a ballot which is a confidentially exercised, and we are confident in our own internal survey. We had a discussion with all our leaders. All our candidates are confident that we will form the government without help of anyone. In the meantime, from the BJP side, we also have gathered a lot of information. We have met many sitting candidates, including MLAs, ministers. They have lost confidence that they will win this election. In the internal currents are also flowing on. Some of them have tried to approach our leaders also, our candidates also, our associates also. But we all have stood here, knowing, sharing a lot of information between ourselves. Then we decided to join here. So we all came here to meet all of us. We have exchanged notes. We have given them direction how to handle the election counting day. We know that the official machinery will be misused. We know that they will try to misuse the official machinery. We have guided them what has to be done. They have come out with their own experiences. So a separate cell, our war room in Delhi, a legal room in Delhi, a legal room in Assam, Guwahati also will be there. My General Secretary will be here. We will also be a part of this counting here. So all of us will be alert here and we will see that we protect our candidates. We know that they try to do a lot of mischief because already they are trying to approach us. They have the fear of losing this election, so they are trying to approach our people. If they are confident, they wouldn't have tried to contact any of us. But we don't want to disclose any of the names here. But anyway, as far as the Congress party and its alliance, we are confident that the people of Assam will go for a change and will have a new government in Assam. Apart from us, though the central government is also trying to help in various ways here, we know that how all it has happened, but still people of Assam have decided to have a change and we are waiting for the fourth result. We all will be alert on the situation and we will handle any type of situation which may come ahead. So I thank the people of Assam for having a smooth and safe elections.